Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to hide and unhide likes count on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. Tap the profile icon on bottom right. Now open the post to hide likes. Right now I have 4 likes on this post. To hide likes for this post, tap 3 vertical dots on top right. Here you will find a new option hide like count. Tap hide like count. That's it. Like count hidden. By tap on view like you can see likes. Similarly you can hide likes for another post. Go to 3 dots and tap hide like count. For a new post on Instagram, you will see advanced settings. Now you can hide like and view counts on individual posts. Tap advanced settings. Hide like and view counts on this post. Just toggle on hide like and view counts on this post. Only you will see the total number of likes and views on this post. You can change this later by going to the 3 dots menu at the top of the post. If you would like to unhide like count, go to the post and tap 3 vertical dots on top right. Then tap unhide like count. That's it. These are the steps to hide and unhide likes on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.